So, now we can derive the relation between magnetic permeability and magnetic susceptibility. So, see here, suppose you have got magnetizing intensity H and any material is placed in this magnetizing intensity H here. Suppose this is a magnetizing intensity H here, a material is placed and it gets magnetized. Then we can write total magnetic field inside the material is B naught plus B m. So, B naught is here the magnetic field, induced magnetic field is here in the free space, and B m is the magnetic field inside the magnetic material, and this is the total B. So, we can write here B is equal to mu naught H plus, that is here mu naught I, whereas I is known as intensity of magnetization. So, we can write B is equal to mu naught H plus I here, we can take common I. Now, we have already done chi m is equal to I upon H. So, we can write B is equal to mu naught H plus, here we can write here chi m into H. Then here H is here, we can take common. So, that is B upon H is equal to mu naught 1 plus chi m. This can be written mu is equal to mu naught 1 plus chi m. Chi m is here where the magnetic susceptibility. So, mu upon mu naught is equal to 1 plus chi m, that is mu r is equal to 1 plus chi m. So, this is the relation between the relative magnetic permeability and magnetic susceptibility.